So on that grass, little man, there it was a cicada. Yeah, the baby cicada came out of the ground and attached itself to this piece of grass, and then it came out, it hatched. And it flew away. So we can take it off now because there's nothing inside. There we go, and we see we got this. What's wrong? You scared? No, it's okay. Look at this. Check it out. Look. Put on my shirt. It's okay. No problem. What's that? They don't do that dance? It's okay. You know, cicadas, these are cool. Look at it. Look at it. Let's check it out. Come here. Look at that.